So a couple of days back I was traveling for work और meetings के बीच में जो थोड़ा time मिलता है I used to sit in a cafe and do my work, have a cup of coffee or something. And then I observed a few things. There were two cafes which were adjacent to each other. And since I was there for a couple of days, so I decided to go to each cafe one day. अभी मैं वो दोनों कैफेज में जब गई सो देर वॉज नो स्पेसिफिक डिफरेंशिएटिंग फैक्टर इन टर्म्स ऑफ कॉफ़ी टेस्ट या फिर आप बोलें इन द प्राइस रेंज इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर प्राइस कॉफ़ी का टेस्ट इट वॉज आई मीन द मेन्यू ऑप्शंस इट वॉज ऑल सिमिलर almost similar with barely any difference. But still, there were two complete different sets of people which I saw in both the cafes. एक में बिल्कुल ही अलग टाइप के लोग और दूसरे में बिल्कुल ही अलग and it was totally different in spite of both the cafes offering the same price points and everything else. So what stood out basically? That made me think. What stood out? So normally, why do we visit cafes? Like, cafes are usually for हम मीटिंग्स के लिए जाते हैं, लोग डेट्स पे जाते हैं, पीपल कम देयर टू meet and greet their friends or somebody, maybe for networking, maybe for some kind of, just chilling. These are all things what people do at cafes. And they are genuinely not looking only for coffee, they are looking out for experiences. Because when I saw two different sets of people in the two adjacent cafes, it clearly uh, showed an indication कि वहाँ पर बैठ के उनको जिस तरह का फील हो रहा है, द काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी, द काइंड ऑफ वाइब, द काइंड ऑफ एनवायरमेंट, द काइंड ऑफ people they can relate with, the kind of whole set of ecosystem that they feel they relate with, वो वहीं पर बैठे हुए. So cafes, restaurant, bars, or probably anybody in the F&B domain, they're no more just selling the product. It's of course the food, the coffee. It's that one thing which is the entry ticket. जिसके लिए वहाँ पर इंसान आ रहा है कि बैठ के we'll sit over a cup of coffee and discuss something and chit chat and network and meet. But that's just the entry ticket. The actual product, the primary product, is the experience that is being sold over there. And that is why people who find their identity more relevant to that place, they fall into those cafes or probably restaurants. Maybe that's why, a couple of days back again, I visited my mom's place and I was asking my cousin to hang out. So she threw these two questions at me कि कहाँ चलना है आपको, इंस्टाग्राम वर्दी प्लेस पर चलना है या फिर जेन्युइनली जहाँ पर अच्छा खाना मिलता है वहाँ पर चलना है. And that time I didn't pay attention to that, but now I understand why she asked me that, to whether it matches the vibe or not. So do let me know in the comment section below what kind of cafe or what kind of ambience you've recently experienced.